Now, what if you're asked to illustrate a fraction with a suitable diagram, like in this question? Illustrate the fraction 2 over 5 with a suitable diagram. This is the reverse process of trying to find out how many portion of a diagram is shaded and then converting that into fraction. So let's do the reverse of that now. Solution. In this case, we have to use a diagram to illustrate 2 over 5. The first thing you do is that you remember that the denominator indicates the number of equal parts that the shape has been divided into. So draw any shape at all and break it into 5 equal parts. In this case, I am drawing a simple rectangle. And then I'll divide this into 5 equal sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this has 5 equal divisions. A rectangle divided into 5 places. Now the numerator will be the number of these equal parts that have been shaded. So in this case, we just need to shade any of these parts, 2 of them. We have 5. Let's shade the first one. And then the second part. So out of the 5 sides that this rectangle has been divided into, we have shaded 2 of them. Therefore, this diagram represents 2 over 5. Thank you.